So I'm going to start on my dirty door on the sun side. You can see how dirty that is, all the water spots and dirt having a black car. Probably doesn't show up too great, but let's see if I can get a better angle. That's how dirty it is, basically, the whole car. The roof and stuff, so just basically shake it. As you can see, it's very sudsy. It's a knife, yeah. Barely put any soap and looking at it. As you can see, it just runs down and collects all the dust. And I'm just gonna wipe it. Go ahead. Just wipe it in. Yeah. Look how clean it gets already, just that one spot. Washed and waxed. Look at that. Look at that. Look how clean that one spot is. So it works really good, as you can see. Some basic shit. Look how clean that's getting. It's hard to do with this one hand, so you may break. But as you can see, it's super clean. Works really great too. And then you just flip the towel over, you get a dry spot, and kind of like buff it out. That's basically it. And your car, as you can see, is basically spotless. Look at that, washed and waxed with a spray bottle. As you can see, that's how dirty it was before. Basically, super dirty. See, it's basically really dirty, but you can't see it. And you come over here, the door's done, and it's clean.